Auto-staking. All you need to know. Surely, it goes without saying that the point of staking is to generate a profit by contributing assets to a common pot. Simply put, what is auto-staking? There's something unique about it that's garnered a lot of attention recently. Even though it was released around the same time as the Titano, users may still earn the highest fixed APY, 102,483%, with auto-staking and market value of over $200 million. In this video, we will be examining the mechanisms and its significance. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, the concept of auto-staking is relatively new. Those who are new to the platform and do not yet have sufficient expertise, as well as users who are too busy to manage their assets, are eligible to utilize this option. Using this strategy, the system will deposit their cryptocurrency money in order to assist them in earning the incentive that was agreed upon. All token purchases will immediately become staked on the platform, and users will have the option to automatically reinvest their earned monies in order to make the most of their platform's features while the tokens are being staked. What is auto-staking? First, we must get familiar with the notion of staking in order to fully understand the idea of auto-staking. The term crypto staking refers to the practice in which the user locks Bitcoin on a platform for a specified amount of time for the purpose of securing a blockchain's network and confirming transactions based on a proof of stakes or POS consensus mechanism. Cryptocurrencies that are built on consensus techniques known as proof of stakes enables users to earn more coins by staking assets in the network and using those assets as a form of collateral. The privilege to verify the next block is given to one of them by the network based on a random assignment. Users who stake cryptocurrency in protocols are eligible to receive rewards in exchange for helping to maintain the ecosystem. These rewards typically take the form of a combination of network cryptocurrency that is included in the block that they validated and the transaction fees associated with the transactions that they process for other users. What exactly is the process of auto-staking? One of the latest applications that has just been introduced into the realm of blockchain and decentralized finance is known as automatic staking, or DeFi. This new approach is helpful for folks who are busy and for users who may forget to manually restake their assets. In addition, auto-staking makes it possible for beginners in the world of cryptocurrency who are unfamiliar with the standards that apply to this field. This method employs the rebase algorithm, and it may function with elastic tokens, which are characterized by their variable supply reserves. This method of depositing, which is known as self-minting, causes the system to produce fresh tokens at regular intervals of 15 to 30 minutes. Users that take advantage of this method have the potential to raise the value of their assets via compounded interests at a rate of up to 100,000% per year APY. It implies that users are required to acquire tokens and keep tokens on their wallet, for example, MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and the number of tokens will automatically rise and have passive revenue attached to them. The benefits of utilizing an automatic staking system. If a user takes advantage of this function, they'll be able to get a larger profit from the cash they have invested, and they won't have to manually monitor the amount of their investment. If you use the automated staking tool, you will never miss out on the opportunity to earn a profit, and you will never lose the staking time. Simply said, if the protocol is successful in maintaining its popularity among users and attracts new users, the supply and demand rule that governs economics will cause a considerable growth in the value of each token. If the value of the token goes up, users will see an increase in the amount of income that is generated in the wallets where they have staked tokens. Compound interests. When users acquire the token, the system takes all digital assets that are currently stored in the user's accounts. The deposited assets are rewarded by the system, the income is added to the amount that was originally placed, more funds are distributed to the users, and the process is repeated. The automated burning process. This process involves the automatic destruction of a certain number of tokens, expressed as a specific percentage throughout the course of each transaction. This ensures that users make the maximum amount of money possible from the market. The disadvantages of auto-staking. Users are required to maintain their assets in their wallets at all times during the locked period while they're gambling with their assets. Users will not have access to their deposited financial resources while they're participating in the staking process. If the price of the asset suddenly drops and they're unable to withdraw deposits, the procedure will have a significant influence on the company's profitability. In response to the query, what exactly is auto-staking? As the crypto world continues to expand at an exponential rate, the DeFi sector continues to develop in order to satisfy the requirements of the vast majority of its customers. We are able to make the assertion that the crypto auto-staking procedure is an instrument that helps consumers prevent probable losses in the event that the values of their cryptocurrencies experience a rapid drop. Auto-staking lessens the likelihood of a large decline in the value of crypto assets, and conversely, increases the holder's returns during periods of stable market conditions. Even if there's a little possibility of anything going wrong, it may be a workable option. In addition, because of the way that the tokens are burned, blockchain networks have full control over any supply reserves that may exist. Is auto-staking for cryptocurrencies a good idea? Please share your thoughts in the space provided below. I really hope you found this video entertaining. Please show your approval by giving it a thumbs up if so. To be updated of all the newest technological developments, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button. Please subscribe for future videos.